Google may have accidentally revealed the launch date of the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. Google recently launched the much awaited Pixel 4a, which was launched a few days back, and surprisingly they have confirmed that the new pixels, more premium pixels, that is the 5 and the 4a 5G, will follow. Now it seems that the Google France have accidentally revealed the launch dates of the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. A 9 to 5 Google reader from France recently discovered the official Google blog post for the Pixel 4a also mentioned the pre-order dates for the Google Pixel 5 and the Google Pixel 4a 5G. The blog post has since been taken down, but the cached post of this website is still there, and it is translated as the Pixel 4a 5G and the Pixel 5 will be available for pre-orders from the October of 8th, 2020. Google usually opens pre-orders for its Pixel phones on the day of its launch, so it might be the same day we see the phone, that is on the October 8th, that we could see the new phones, that is the Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. It seems about right time too, because Google has a tradition of releasing their flagships, they're releasing their Pixels in the month of October every single year whenever they release a new Pixel device. Let's talk about some of the specifications and the pricing of the new Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G. Google gave us a sneak peek of the new Pixel 5 and the Pixel 4a 5G on the day of the launch of the Pixel 4a. So we know a little bit of how the phone may look. We also know that when the Google Pixel 4a 5G is going to be released, it is going to be priced at around $499, which is 37,300 approximately Indian currency, but there is still no word on how or what the specifications of this phone are. We also don't know much about the Google Pixel 5, which is going to be launched, other than some rumors we had to hear from here and there. But one of the rumor we heard and may come in the phone is that it may have a 120Hz display resolution, and leaks suggest that this Google Pixel 5 is not going to be coming with the flagship Snapdragon processor in it. As per the price of the Pixel 5, a Google survey suggests that this phone could retail at around $699, which is around 52,300 rupees Indian currency. But if this is true, Google may already have another device for its price point of $1,000 price point flagship killers. This was all about the Google Pixel 4a 5G and the new Pixel 5, which are going to be released pretty soon. If you get to know something about this new phones, please let me know in the comment section, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. If you did like this video, leave a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe if you're new around here. My name is Gaurav. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.